Ever wished you could manage your entire financial life from the comfort of your couch, in your pajamas, at 3 a.m.? What if I told you that with BluPeak's online banking platform, that seemingly far-fetched dream is not just a possibility, but a reality for millions? But what exactly can you do through BluPeak's online banking platform? What are the functionalities that make it such a game changer? Well, settle in, because we're about to take a deep dive into every corner of this digital powerhouse. We'll explore the core features, the advanced tools, the security measures that keep your money safe, and how it all comes together to empower you to take complete control of your financial destiny. Let's start with the absolute essentials, the bread and butter of online banking. At its heart, BluPeak's platform allows you to manage your accounts with unparalleled ease. This means you can instantly view all your BluPeak accounts in one consolidated dashboard. Checking accounts, savings accounts, credit cards, loans, everything is there, clearly laid out. No more logging into separate portals or shuffling through physical statements. You can see your current balances at a glance, eliminating any guesswork about how much is available. Beyond just balances, you get a full, detailed transaction history. Ever wonder where that $50 went last Tuesday? Need to confirm a payment you made last month? The platform provides a comprehensive log of all your ins and outs. You can filter by date, type of transaction, or even search for specific merchants, making it incredibly easy to track your spending and understand your financial flow. This level of transparency is crucial for budgeting and financial planning, giving you the insights you need to make informed decisions. And what about those paper statements piling up on your desk? With BluPeak Online Banking, you can say goodbye to clutter and hello to e-statements. Not only is this an environmentally friendly option, but it also means instant access to your statements whenever you need them. No more waiting for them to arrive in the mail or digging through old files. Your e-statements are securely stored within the platform, ready to be viewed, downloaded, or printed at your convenience. This digital archiving is a lifesaver come tax season or whenever you need to verify past transactions. Now, let's talk about moving money. This is where online banking truly shines in terms of convenience. BluPeak's platform offers seamless fund transfers. Need to move money from your checking to your savings account? A few clicks, and it's done. Want to pay off a portion of your credit card balance from your checking account? Simple. You can set up one-time transfers or even recurring transfers, perfect for automating your savings goals or ensuring your bills are paid on time from the correct account. This eliminates the need for manual transfers, reducing the chance of errors and saving you valuable time. But what about sending money to others? BluPeak Online Banking integrates with Zelle, making it incredibly easy to send and receive money with friends, family, or anyone you trust, directly from your bank account. No more writing checks or dealing with cash. As long as the recipient is also enrolled with Zelle through their bank or credit union, the money moves in minutes, often with just their email address or mobile number. This is a game changer for splitting dinner bills, paying your share of rent, or sending a quick gift. And speaking of payments, Bill Pay is another monumental feature that transforms how you handle your expenses. With BluPeak's Bill Pay, you can set up payments to virtually anyone, from your utility company and credit card providers to your landlord or even a personal acquaintance. You can schedule one-time payments for specific due dates or set up recurring payments for bills that are the same every month. The platform even allows you to see whether a payee receives electronic payments, which are faster, or if a check will be mailed on your behalf. This level of automation means you'll never miss a due date again, helping you avoid late fees and maintain a healthy credit score. It's truly a financial stress reducer. Beyond these core functionalities, BluPeak's online banking platform offers a suite of advanced tools designed to give you even greater control and insight into your financial life. One such powerful feature is card management. This is more than just viewing your credit and debit cards. It gives you the power to temporarily turn your card off or on, report a card lost or stolen, replace a card, set card limits, cancel a card. This level of granular control over your cards is a significant security and convenience booster. Another incredibly valuable feature, especially in today's digital landscape, is mobile check deposit. Gone are the days of having to physically visit a branch or ATM to deposit a check. With BluPeak's mobile app, which seamlessly integrates with the online banking platform, you can simply take a picture of the front and back of your endorsed check using your smartphone or tablet. The funds are then deposited directly into your chosen account. It's quick, secure, and incredibly convenient, especially for those who receive paper checks regularly but rarely visit a physical branch. But BluPeak's commitment to empowering your financial health doesn't stop there. Their online banking often includes tools for financial wellness and money management. These features are designed to help you understand your spending habits, set budgets, and track your progress toward financial goals. You might find tools that automatically categorize your transactions, allow you to set and track budgets, provide insights into your spending patterns, offer access to your credit score. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, security. With all this convenience, how safe is your money and your personal information on BluPeak's online banking platform? This is a paramount concern, and BluPeak takes it incredibly seriously. Their platform is built with state-of-the-art security features to protect your financial data. These include SSL encryption technology, multi-factor authentication, MFA, secure logins, account alerts, fraud monitoring, regular security updates. While BluPeak does its part, it's also crucial for you, the user, to practice good online security habits. This includes using strong, unique passwords, being wary of phishing scams, only accessing your banking through secure Wi-Fi networks, and regularly monitoring your accounts for any unauthorized activity. BluPeak provides resources and tips on how to keep your accounts safe, reinforcing that security is a shared responsibility. In essence, BluPeak's online banking platform isn't just a service, it's a comprehensive financial ecosystem designed to simplify your life, save you time, and give you unprecedented control over your money. From the most basic tasks like checking your balance to advanced features like card management and integrated budgeting tools, it puts the power of your finances directly in your hands. It's banking on your terms, anytime, anywhere. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.